Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to go ahead and build out a Word document index on Microsoft Word. Think of this as a quick way for readers to go in and see exactly what they're looking for. They could always go to a table of contents, but there may be multiple references to something throughout the document, and you want them to see exactly where they need to go to be able to find that information. So maybe this document is heavily referencing online video, but then there's some other stuff mixed in here too. You want the user to know, or the reader to know, exactly where to go to read all about online video. So let's go ahead and let's start building it out. So we need to go over here to the References tab. And then if you look over here under Index, we have an option to go ahead and start building it out. So let's go ahead and just highlight online video. We'll select Mark Entry. And now you can see it has main entry indicated as online video. We could add a sub entry if we want to, but we don't need to right now. And then what we could do from here, we can go ahead and set our reference. Do we want to set it for the current page that is on? Do we want to set, maybe this is not only on the first page, maybe this is just the start of a long set of paragraphs that all talk about online video from pages 1 to 3. You could set a page range in here, but we'll go ahead and leave this under current page. And then what we could do is we can go ahead and decide, do we want to make it bold? Do we want to italicize it just to make the page number format stand out a little bit more? And then we can go ahead and decide, do we only want to mark this one instance of the word online video, or do we want to mark all? So in our case, we can go ahead and do mark all. And then you can see it adds in this little formatting character here to indicate that it's been selected. And we can go ahead and do another one here. So let's go ahead and select another one. This is not going to show up to the reader, by the way. We just have it's just showing the formatting markers right now, but we could always turn that off. So let's find something else. Maybe themes and styles. So we can go ahead and do themes and styles. Oops. It's supposed to be changing. Okay, let's do this again. Let's actually highlight themes and styles. Come over here to Mark Entry. Okay, there it is. So now that we have themes and styles, we'll do the exact same thing that we did before, except this time we're only going to mark it once. We'll just do mark, and then we'll do the same thing. We'll make it bold and italicize it. Again, we just want to reference the current page, and we don't want to do all of them. We just want to mark that one instance of themes and styles. Let's go ahead and hit mark. Okay, so now that we have that on there, you can see it has the little indicator here. And again, if you want to turn that off, it's just this right here, the show/hide of the different markers and formatting symbols on your document. So if I remove that, you could see, looking at this, they're going to have no idea that this has been, we've done something to this with our word indexing. So now if we come down here towards the bottom, we can go ahead and we can actually set it up. So let's go ahead and create our index, do insert index. And now what we can do is we can go ahead and decide, how do we want it to display? Do we want to do from a template? Do we want to do some sort of other classic view or modern? I mean, I think modern looks fine. We can also right align the page numbers. We can do like this. We can decide how many columns we want. And once we're ready to go, we can go ahead and click OK. So now that we have this in place, you can go ahead and see that it went ahead and it mentioned online video, and it shows online video is on page 1, page 2, and page 3, and then themes and styles are on page 1. So this gives the user, I keep saying the user, this gives the reader an idea of where they need to go look to go ahead and read more about online video. So rather than having to go through table of contents may not even mention anything about online video. It may be grouped within another section. So maybe online video is just a reference to something within a section, and you would have no idea looking at the table of contents for it. So now the reader knows, oh, okay, I need to go to page 1, 2, and 3 to be able to find it.